So we have our Tesla Model 3 rear wheel drive which came with Aero wheel covers, and if you look closely we have also got a small curb rash. This is mainly because the Tesla wheel covers don't fully protect the wheel and the outer edge of the wheel is always exposed and prone to curb rash. Luckily, EVBASE have sent us these wheel covers which look like the wheels you can get with the order of a Tesla Model S as an optional extra. Let's see what's inside the box. There are wheel covers packed safely inside the bubble wraps and cushions. Looks beautiful in the matte black. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 wheel covers. There is also a foam strip, 4 blank center caps and 4 center caps with Tesla logo which can be attached on top of the blank center caps. So before installing the wheel covers on the wheels, we actually need to prep the new wheel covers with the foam. Just take out the tip from the foam strip and apply it along the inside edge of each wheel cover. It might not be perfect at first, but just try to keep the foam strip along the inside edge. Since these wheel covers will be protecting the outer edges of the actual wheels which are not protected by the stock wheel covers, the foam strips are important to keep them safe. Then apply the center caps. Just remove the red adhesive and place it as shown in the video. You can also install the Tesla logo caps on top of the center caps, but we decided to go with just the blank for this time. Then continue applying the foam strips and center caps on the rest of the wheel covers. If you have a wheel cover already installed, you can remove it by applying a little bit of force using both your hands. It might be a little harder if you have never removed it, but it should come out with some effort. While installing the new wheel covers, make sure to align the cutout with the pressure valve. I did struggle at first, but the idea is to clip all the plastics along the spokes of the wheel. After a few tries and struggle, I was able to successfully install on one of the wheels. Then I moved towards one of the wheels at the front and removed the Aero cover. This time, while installing the new wheel cover, I did not have to struggle much as I had got the hang of it from the previous one. Then it was easy to install on the rest of the wheels. We would like to thank EVBASE for providing us with these wheel covers which not only look very sporty and aggressive, but they also provide extra protection to the wheels compared to the stock wheel covers. If you would also like to change the look of your Tesla, head out to EVBASE's website with the link in the description below. Or use the code RUBY23 to get 20% off your next purchase. You can also find a lot of other accessories on their website. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the video, and we'll see you in the next one.